Today, we're taking a standard feature, the camera, to a whole new level of fun. Meet the all-new Galaxy A9, the world's first quad-camera smartphone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This year, we've completely transformed the A9 with a dynamic quad-camera design that lets you capture and share like no one else can. Our all-new ultra-wide-angle camera that can see as wide as the human eye gives you a 120-degree field of view, so you can widen your world by capturing more in a single frame. The telephoto camera, with an advanced 2x optical zoom lens, delivers sharp, high-resolution images even when you zoom in closer. While A9's primary shooter boasts an incredible 24-megapixel image sensor that automatically adjusts to different lighting conditions, making sure nothing gets lost in both broad daylight and low light. And with the addition of a fourth camera that separates subject and background to create more depth, you decide what to focus on and how much to blur out. Whatever you're capturing, Galaxy A9's advanced intelligent camera gives you so much more to love. With the power to identify locations, recognize scenes to automatically optimize color, and take professional-looking self-portraits with studio lighting effects, achieving incredible shots has never been so effortless. This extraordinary quad-camera interface is paired with powerful performance, lightning-quick RAM, and storage expandable to more than half a terabyte. A longer-lasting battery with fast charging, and the intelligence of Bixby.
Hi, Bixby. Play the video taken in France last month.
So you can seamlessly enjoy an endless amount of photo, video, and gaming content for longer, all on our world-famous 6.3-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display. To make sure your experience is unlike any other at this level, Galaxy A9's stunning new design and beautiful gradient colors give a completely different look and feel that truly sets the new A9 apart. This is Samsung Galaxy A9.